Hey you guys, welcome. Today we are gonna make our signature Cube robot, which is our robot in a can signature robot, and it is a drawing robot. So I recommend that you also get a little marker before you begin this build. This is a small and thin marker, but it's a felt tip, so it draws really well. But that's just extra. You'll also need 4 AA batteries, and of course you'll need your robot in a can kit and everything that comes inside. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, you're gonna need your robot cardboard. This one is for the CubeBot, and let's take a look what else we'll need. We will need the battery pack. We're gonna need the e-brain. Okay, we're gonna need 2 wheels. We're gonna need 1 robot chassis. We're gonna need 2 motor holders. We're gonna need 2 motors. We're gonna need 2 rubber bands. These are tires for our wheels. Finally, our secret ingredient, the bulldog clip. And that is everything that we're gonna need today. Okay, we're gonna start by building our robot cardboard. Okay, so to make the CubeBot, we're gonna fold along all of these lines first. This is the shiny side, this is the other side, okay? The shiny side is gonna be the outside. Okay, this is the outside. So let's get started, okay? All right, great. So there we go. Now we have completed our first step. We folded along the creases. Now let's actually put our robot together, okay? So I am going to remove the tape here. Okay, now I'm gonna put this, make sure you get a perfect angle here. Corner. Okay. And we do the same thing. Make sure the corners touch perfectly. Corners touch perfectly. Look at that. Excellent. Now we're going to fold this over top. And put our 2 little things through the bottom. There we go. First side, done. Next side, we do the same thing on the other side, okay? All about those corners. If you get the top corner straight, it's going to be straight all along. And then push it down. Make sure the tape sticks nicely. Good. Now we do the last side. So now look at that. We're going to hold it in there. Okay. Boom. Pops out there. Hey, it's our little robot box. Great. Step 1. Now, step 2. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna put this in here. This part's a bit tricky. And there's a slight problem with the size here, so you have to push hard. Okay, that's through. You'll see it's a little bit the cardboard's a bit larger than the things. This is so that it locks very well. Great. Now, next step. I am going to go like this. This is hard, okay? A little bit tricky, but we're gonna put the tires on the motors. I'm gonna go like this. Sweet. And again. Look at that. Now we take our motors and we put them in, okay? Now this part's important, so I'm gonna put my wheels aside here for a second, okay? And this part's important. You take your wire and you put it through the body, okay? Look at that, right? Put the wire through the body. And you push this in. There we go, good, good. A lot of people try to put this in backwards. This faces out, right? And make sure these go in there. Beauty, look at that. Right? This part's tricky, okay? Oh, I know I said a lot of parts are tricky. This part's pretty tricky. So I go like this and I kind of move it back and forth a little bit to see where it hits. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Gonna be a good one. Check it out though, you see the shape of this? It's like got this slot, and you see this guy, it's kind of got the same shape. So you really want to make sure you align it like, you know, this guy's on a bit of an angle, so you know this one's gonna be on a bit of an angle, okay? And then, whoop, we flip it like a pancake. Perfect. Secret ingredient. Put it here. We put it in like this, okay? Not like this, okay? Like this. That's the good way, okay? Like that. It sits nice and flat. See how flat it sits? That's the way. Okay, we take our battery pack, and I trust you guys know how to put in batteries, but you take the flat side and you put it next to the springs. Always a good tip. Flat side to the springs. Now this part's important because the batteries are heavy, okay? So you want the heaviness to go at the back. See that? If the heaviness not at the back, look. Right? You put the heavy part at the back. Nothing, right? Stable. That's good stuff, okay? Perfect. Now, take this, boom. Plug it in. Boom, it's on, right? And if it wasn't on, we would turn it on. Now, we face it like this. This is very important again. So many important steps, but this part is important too. It's hard to make robots. You gotta follow the steps. So when I put these white parts so that they are on the same side as the eyes. See, the two white motor holders are on the same side as the eyes. Okay, now I know that this is the left motor and it goes here. Boom. And this is the right motor and it's gonna go here. Okay? Sweet. That's Shoni. That's the robot in the can. Why'd I call it Shoni? Because that's its name, it's Shoni. Shoni, the CubeBot, whatever you want to call it. Project Shoni, code name. That dot, make sure you see a dot when you lift it up so you know that the marker is touching. And then we will begin our square code. not too bad. We got a pretty nice square, we got a pretty nice circle, a little bit of fine tuning, and your robot will be drawing excellently, incredibly. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cool videos about things that you can build with your robot in a can. Take care.